Hi, I'm water, and this is my internal structure. I'm moving the water with a little brush. I am made of molecular groupings, which you can see as small light dots here. Those little dots of light I can call the molecular groupings. I am being moved around with a little brush. You can see a more thick layer, and as I brush off material, you can see the dots of light rising, which I call molecular packets or molecular groupings. Thanks to those molecular packets, I can move around. You can see over here how water moves as I open the layers to show you the molecular packets. You can observe the packets around the dark spots. This procedure has a dark background or a black background. That's why the spots appear black or dark. You can even see here that not only the water around the brush moves, the movement is transferred through the molecular packets in one layer to other parts of the area. In some cases, small water droplets are formed. This is not pure water, it's tap water. The water here is not 100% pure, and I am not using a lab environment. You can see me in action here with my molecular packets. As I'm opening the layers, you can see some very big packets compared to before. This is not a true form of my packets. Currently, the scientific community is researching the true form of the molecules and the links between the packets that make up water. You can now see bigger packets. How they move, separate, join together. You can even see some solids. Little solids that travel over the layer or surface of the liquid. The little solids, sometimes they travel over the layer of liquid, or they just lay resting on the surface. Here we can see how the packet is opening up or closing it on itself. As I move the brush off screen, the packets open or close. The, the molecular packets are closing or joining together. They open, they close, they separate. They move. You can also see how some of the water evaporates and leaves some solids behind. You can you can see some of the layers opening and some solids floating around because around the water that we're looking at there is some iron. You can see some iron oxide here, the brown solid. You can see me here separating and even evaporating. The spots of different color may be solids or refracted solids. Some packets separate themselves and evaporate. They are kind of low, but you can see them separating and evaporating. More openings, you can see more solids. How water is separating and evaporating. Some of the solids lay on the surface and others move through the water, through the packets. How they break apart the molecular packets, diffracted. Over here we can see how solids move through two solid layers, and at the end they both break up. How the layer opens and moves around, and the solids moving through them. Over here we can see the diffracted packets interacting with the solids. Over this part of the video we will see more solids and their interaction with the molecular packets of water. The solid and liquid particles diffract the light, so both solids and liquids look very similar, but you can spot the difference if you look real close. Solids moving around, and out of the solids you can see the molecular water packets. Also you can see some vapors. Now remember that in general some of the solids are over the water. We can see some solids here that are being diffracted by the light. More solids moving around. Some of the solids are very volatile. You can see the solids moving and floating through the layer of water. They are very small. They move through it without any effort. Let's see, we can see some solids in the diffracted solids. We can see more solids over here. Well, this is the end of the video. We are going to upload more videos, not only of water but from other substances, and I hope you find this interesting. Please comment below, and if you like the video, thumbs up please. Alright, thanks for watching.